Hi, I'm Mark DUXBURY. First Hurdle is a weekly poetry podcast. This time, Sounds of Spotted Light. Light dappled itself across my room in a net of gold spun by an unseen hand, each spot a node note of something unsaid. The trees outside laughed, shaking their tambourine branches. Leaf violins fiddled shy, uneven tunes. I listened for the light's footsteps, as soft taps on the wooden floor. Moth wings brushing a lampshade, barely there, but impossible to ignore. From faraway fields, where from the backs of grazing sheep, kissing the dew, calling it sweet, it flowed into the heart of flowers. Here it visits only briefly, as a guest slipping through cracks, scattering its laughter before retreating into the day. I cup a patch of it in my hand. It wriggles free, leaving only its trace in a minute, tingling sound of something beautiful.